Hello everyone, today I'm going to be fixing a cool book made from candles, nail polish. I'm currently in the Vanderplus gallery to help them fix this piece, but I'll show you the work. This is the book. It's very cool. I'm going to it's called art restoration or conservation. I'm going to fix up this little crusty area. So basically fixing a book with special materials, adhesive, nail polish requested by the artist. I'm thinking some acrylics and a clear paper to just paint and mix paint with to try to blend the colors according to the work. It's really waxy. I love the fact that she used candles. It's really unique. Just show you some of her art. It's like you can see this in a museum 20 years later, maybe 50 years later. I don't know, but it looks really cool. And she is alive today, but I'm going to help her fix her work because she stays far away. Hope you can like, subscribe, share, and enjoy the process. This material I'm using is kind of like it's gonna dry with a rubbery feel, a rubber adhesive. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry before I start paint matching this piece. So we're done restoring the middle page of this book, and I think it's a-okay. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more about my process, and stay inspired.